Hi everyone, I wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on how to navigate Pearson's MYITLAB in case you've never used the program before. So once you're all registered and everything and you sign in, mine is going to look a little differently than yours, of course, because I have the instructor view, but I think that you'll still get the gist of it. So once you're all registered for the course, then you want to go in. So there are two places that I feel like you're going to frequently visit. One of them is the assignment calendar. So if you go to the assignment calendar, you're going to see that I put all the assignments in for our course. So for instance, the first 3 assignments that are due this upcoming Sunday. So if you select that date, you'll see the assignments are right here. Now, I had mentioned in the first video that I did put up some optional assignments. Sometimes people like to practice with these and then get to the real one. Other people will just start with the real one. Okay, whatever you would choose to do, it's entirely up to you. How you access the files that you're going to need for the assignment, so for instance, here is the Chapter 2 assignment for Excel, is if you select the bubbles, please make sure that your pop-up blocker is off. If your pop-up blocker isn't off, you're going to run into an issue. Select Open. And then you're going to see this window, which you'll end up to be very familiar with by the end of the course. But what you want to do is you want to download the materials, and you want to download all of the materials. For this first assignment, you can see that you've got the instructions. The instructions come in a Word document. They're step by step. Then you've got the 2 Excel files that you're going to need. And then one of the steps that they do have you complete in this first assignment is to change the theme in Excel. In case your computer does not have the mesh theme, it is included here. I know that by default the computers here do have it installed, but yours may not, so it's there. But you want to download all of these files. This is where you're going to do the work. So you can see here that you'll download the files, you'll work on the assignment on your computer, and then you're going to upload the assignment when you're completed. And it's just a typical, go and navigate to the file. And then you're going to submit it for grading. Okay, so that is one place where you need to know to go. The other place that you're going to want to visit frequently is course materials. So again, your menu will look a little differently than mine because I'm an instructor. I do have more options, but you should see what I'm seeing right now. What I listed is I listed all of the chapters that we cover in this course. And you can see, for instance, if you go into Chapter 2, you've got the student resources, is that you have the e-text. So you can go into the e-text. It should bring you right into Chapter 2, and you can navigate through the pages just as you would a regular book. If you're looking for a certain function or useful word, you can type it in the search bar. It's very useful to use that feature, but you've got access to this textbook. The other thing that I know that you'll be using a lot of are these videos. So in the textbook, different concepts have tutorial videos associated with them. The videos are right here. So you've got all these different blue box videos that you can view when you're having trouble with a concept. Unfortunately, the concepts are not listed here, but you will find that if you go, I'm going to just navigate back to the e-text, that, for instance, you've got these blue boxes here. Let me go back to the previous page where it started. Is that you can see, oh, sorry, I'm having a little bit of a difficulty with the mouse because the overlay for the screencasting software is over where the scroll bar is. But you can see here that you've got right here this blue box video. So you can play this right from the textbook if you'd like, or you can go to the folder where I just was. It's a total preference thing. So I hope that this helps. If you still have trouble with navigating the program, please do let me know. It's very easy to do one of these screencasts if necessary. Good luck.